When you make this decision to follow your calling, to help the people that you're called to help, to answering their pleas, their cries, there are going to be obstacles with your journey.
We follow Gregory. You follow Gregory. Is that correct? What he does, we don't question. He is the leader of the United Believers. And you believe that. Of course you believe that. Is that not correct?
No.
Okay,
Doctor?
Yeah, in the office.
I didn't hear you.
I said, get out of my office!
Legion?
Get out of my office!
Are you?
Wait! Widerstand ist zwecklos! Do you not understand?
What does that mean?
Resistance is futile. Got that? Yeah, resistance is futile.
He's not okay. He's not okay.
Actually, Nick, it's you, it's not okay.
Gregory, Legion. Nick is against you.
You know what to do, Legion.
Excommunicated. I agree.
Get rid of him. Let his soul burn in hell.
And
Get rid of the bastard.
Yes, sir.
Not human? What organization am I even in? After being hit, 2 stories emerged. One was from the cops, saying that I was hit by a car going 95 miles an hour and pronounced dead. Second story,
It's gone.
that was holy, and that was my story. I was in complete whiteness. I saw things and people I didn't know existed. I felt things that I never felt. I then found myself looking into the eyes of a man that had more genuine love and care than I ever thought possible. He understood me. Seeing the carnage in Pakistan, I knew that I could not stay here.
Is my work done?
Where am I? But I wanted to stay. Then I saw her face.
Come and help us, please. Truly yours.
I had to go back down.
You deserve this because of your disobedience. You told the doctor that you saw some sort of God. You lied. You lied. You know that I'm the only one worthy of such experiences. Even on your deathbed, you have no fear of God. Those papers say that you are excommunicated and terminated from United Believers. They say that we have absolutely zero liability for the situation you're in. So good luck trying to help yourself, let alone those unhuman Pakistan people in that village. Huh. Where you belong is hell, with all your degenerate friends.
So there I was, broken, both body and spirit. I was told by the doctors that I'd never walk again. I was told by Gregory that supposedly he is the only way to God, that I need to be in hell. Didn't they know that the human body and spirit is powerful? So I get to Pakistan. From that point on, I'm trying to get to Chickathumb village. I tell people, Chickathumb. Some people turn away, some people walk away, some people run away. Then I meet this farmer, and this farmer tells me that if I give him all I have, he will take me to the Chickathumb village.
Now get out. Get out. Do not go there. There's risk. You get out.
Get out where? Asshole! Look!
Get it back.
Just know it won't be easy. It might be comical as you're going through the storm.